Estate. In case you don't know Gulf Estate, you see those buildings, those fine buildings, see them line up. Now Gulf Estate that we never reach the ghetto. And Gulf Estate now people wey get money, now they buy the land. Yes, so that's why you need to get money. If you don't get that money now, buy land, keep am so that the land go grow. When it grow, you go can't get money. You dey hear me? This plot of land where you see here, just directly opposite Gulf Estate, is 30 million naira. Now 30 million naira will they sell am. So if you won't get your own plot, you just need to call me 090-3429-6519. Call Madam Pekle Africa and you'll come here, come pick the plot where you want. If you see, we don't already fence am. You know how much we don't reduce to fence this land. If you see this one now, they don't put gates. Person don't buy them. You don't pay money already. Last week they don't pick some. So quickly call me. Sharply dial my number so that you can come and collect the plot. Don't give money for bank. You know what they happen now. You go join queue, suffer, cry before you carry your money from bank. That money where you put for bank, you better transfer and come Mercy Homes and Property. Use and buy property. Your land is safer than your cash in the bank. You dey hear me? Ha! If you buy land, nobody go come collect am from your hand. You know why? Because for here, we dey give you peace of mind. We give you all your valid documents. You do any investigation where you want to. You go Ministry of Lands. Anywhere you want go, Abuja or anywhere for Rivers State here, you get your correct information about the land, and then you do the documents for your own name and for your own document. You carry them, you keep jejely, you sleep close to eye. But right now, if you're 1 million, you're 100 million the bank, you cannot close eye and sleep well. Because if you go bank, won't collect that money now, they're not going to even answer you. So carry and buy land. That one in the next 100 years, your generation, your children, they see they enjoy them, and they go, they bless you, they pray for you for anywhere where you dey. So I dey wait for you. Sharply dial the number, and the number again is 090-3429-6519. Now Mama Pekle Africa 9 day here, and I dey wait for you.